Welcome back to another video. This is last part of management study for civil and computer branch. This is Rishan sir and you are watching MS Civil Lecture YouTube channel. जिन बच्चों ने पहली दो वीडियो नहीं देखी है वो आई बॉल बटन पर क्लिक करके देख सकते हैं, और जिन्हें भी PDF चाहिए ओवरऑल 2000 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बैंक की, तो टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं. At 9 PM we will upload all the PDF of management study. So let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following is an indirect tax? A. Income, B. Entertainment, C. Profit, and D. Wealth. So answer is entertainment tax. 2. Which of the following bank/institute act as custodian of nation foreign exchange reserve? SBI, RBI, IFCI, PNB. So answer is IFCI. Question number 3. Which of the following is not one the main objective of material management? A. It helps in purchasing the standard items. B. It helps in reduction in material purchasing price. C. It aims the planning and controlling material. D. It helps the planned material purchasing. So answer is it helps in reduction in material purchasing price. Question number 4. Which of the following provision do not comes under the welfare provision in the Factories Act 1948? Option A. Washing, B. Drinking water, C. Facility of sitting, D. First aid appliance. So answer is washing facility. Question number 5. Line organization is not suited for dash type of organization. Option A. Large, B. Small, C. Medium, D. Both A and C. So answer is both A and C. Question number 6. Authority and responsibilities are dash to each other. A. Supplementary, B. Complementary, C. Contradictory, and D. Inconsistent. So answer is complementary. Question number 7. The maximum numbers of shareholder allows in a public limited company is 20, 50, 100. No maximum number. So answer is no maximum number. Question number 8. Which of the following is not the characteristics of top level management? A. To execute all plans, B. To take decision, C. To look after production job, D. To take decision short term forecasting. So answer is to look after production job. Question number 9. According to file 14 principle of management, spread the crop refer to which of the following? So answer is being treated fairly and kindly, B. Spirit of corporation, C. Teamwork and harmony, D. Spirit of work. So answer is teamwork and harmony. Next, all levels of management between the supervisory level and the top level of the organization are termed as A. Middle manager, B. First line manager, C. Supervisors, and D. Foreman. So answer is middle manager. Question number 11. Which of the following was the key aim of scientific management? A. To increase worker control of production, B. To increase productivity, C. To decrease absenteeism, and D. To develop time and motion study. So answer is to increase productivity. Question number 12. In the last one decade, which one among the following sector has attracted the highest foreign direct investment inflow into India? A. Chemical, B. Food processing, C. Service sector, and D. Telecommunication. So answer is telecommunication. Question number 13. Which is not one the file principle? A. Authority, B. Line of authority, C. Globalization, and unity of command. So answer is globalization. Question number 15. LPG is aimed at making the India's fastest growing competitive economy through A. Efficient utilization of resources, B. Transparency of process, D. Reduce corruption. All of the above. So answer is all of the above. Question number 16. Business firm emphasis on attracting new A. Customer, B. People, C. Target, and D. Supplier. So answer is target groups. Question number 16. The quantity sigma indicate A. Trend in the process. B. Depression in the data. C. Lack of attention by worker. D. Average. So answer is depression in data. Question number 17. Six Sigma is based on understanding the improving processes on A. Product by product, department by department, day by day, and project by project. So answer is project by project, right? Question number 18. The ISO 9000-2000 standards consist of three documents, of which ISO 9001 pretends to A. Fundamental, B. Requirement, C. Vocabulary, D. Guidance. So answer is requirement. Question number 19. To achieve quality, that is defect free product and services, we require A. Close cooperation between management and staff, B. Commitment, C. An environment in which quality can flourish, and D. All of above. So answer is all of above. Question number 20. Every subordinate should receive order from and be accountable to only one superior is called A. Unity of decision, B. Unity of command, C. Centralization, and D. Scalar chain. So answer is unity of command. Question number 21. Organization structure preliminary refer to A. How to achieve, B. How to resource, D. Location of department, and D. Policy statement. So answer is how to achieve are coordinate and control. Question number 22. Line organization follows dash method of communication. A. Scalar, B. Unity in command, C. Open system, D. Closed system. So answer is scalar chain. Question number 23. One disadvantage of forming a partnership is A. The number of partners are limited, B. Specialist skill may be introduced, C. More financial capital is usually available, D. Any financial losses must be shared. So answer is any financial losses must be shared. Question number 24. Functional organization is suited for limited number of A. Person, B. Machine, C. Product, and D. Process. So answer is product. Question number 25. A joint venture can be defined as A. Two firms collaborate, B. One firm license, C. Two firms merge together, and D. Two firms come together to form a third party. So answer is two firms comes together to form a third party legally separate firm. Question number 26. Financial planning deals with A. Preparation of financial system, B. Planning for capital issue, C. Preparing budget, all of above. So answer is preparing budgets. Question number 27. Operating budgets are A. Forecast unit of production, B. A forecast operating expenses, C. A forecast expected operating expenses, and D. Concerned with income generation. So answer is concerned with income generating activities of firm. Question number 28. Which of the following is not the form of tax revenue? A. Income, B. Sales, C. License, and D. Excise. So answer is license tax. Question number 29. Which of the following is not a current asset? A. Cash in hand, B. Cash at bank, C. Debtors and creditors. So answer is creditors. Question number 30. Which is the first step in organization forming? A. Assignment of duty, B. Aims are determined, C. Identifying activities, and D. Formulating plans. So answer aims are determined. Question number 31. Due to unity of direction, A. Deviation from defined path is prevented, B. Work is divided, C. Authority is delegated, and D. Terms are formed. So answer is deviation from defined path is prevented. Next, spirit the corps referred to A. Teamwork, B. Planning, C. Coordination, D. Authority. So answer is teamwork. 32. Out of mentioned below, which is not the input of management? A. Human resource, financial resource, growth, and technology. So answer is growth. Next, which of the following is not a feature of ERP? A. It has common data. B. Each module has different look. C. Each department is able to access. D. Integrated system. So answer is each module has different look and feeling. Question number 35. Which of the following is output of MRP? A. Purchasing plan. B. Capacity plan. C. Cancellation notice. All of above. So answer is all of above. Question number 36. Which of the following are modern techniques of material management? So you can see your answer directly. MRP, JIT, ERP and SAP is the answer of your question. Question number 37. The amount actually demanded against the share is A. Working capital, B. Overdraft, C. Paid up capital and D. Called up capital. So answer is called up capital. Question number 38. In inventory control theory, the economy order quantity is A. Average level, B. Optimum level, C. Capacity of warehouse, D. Lot size corresponding. So answer is optimum lot size. Question number 39. Industrial acts are useful for dash training work to worker, trainings to worker, increase production, overconfidence and guarantee of employee welfare. So answer is guarantee of employee welfare. Question number 40. Tenneco Automotive India refers to which type of company? A. Private limited, B. Partnership, C. Ownership and D. Cooperative. So answer is private limited company. Question number 41. Grouping and activities or operations of the enterprise into various units is referred A. Centralization, departmentation, delegation, communication. So answer is departmentation. Next, the unbroken line of authority from highest to lowest level is known as stability, remuneration, skill chain and team spirit. So answer is scalar chain. 43. HSBC is a public sector bank, scheduled bank, nationalized bank and foreign bank. So answer is foreign bank. 44. Farming broad policies in a company is concerned with A. Lower management, B. Top management, C. Middle management, none of these. So answer is top management. 45. Following is the goal oriented, continuous, forward looking, choice making and integrated process. A. Organizing, B. Planning, coordinating and staffing. So answer is planning. 46. To encourage competition and to remove trade restriction, a policy was established in 1948. The policy called WHO, LPG, GATT, IPR. So answer is GATT. 46. In dash first car was driven on the road of India 1790, 1857, 1898, 1909. So answer is 1898. 48. Manufacturing sector contribute dash % of India. Answer है 5%, 30%, 15% and 20%. So your answer is 15%. Question number 49. In which year the value added tax was introduced? 2001, 2005, 2000 and 2002. So your answer is 2005. 50. What are the type of capital? Fixed and unfixed, favorable and workable, small and big, fixed and working. So your answer is fixed and working. Question number 51. A document that authorized one to carry out a specific job is called A. Factory Act, B. Safety Schedule, C. Work Permit and D. Lethargy. So answer is work permit. Next, 52. Fire in industry due to short circuit, fuel, ignition, all of above. So answer is all of above. 53. Line and staff organization is suitable for small enterprises, medium and large enterprises, none of above. So answer is medium and large enterprises. 54. Who developed the theory on motion study? Taylor, James, Gilbert, Peter. So answer is Gilbert. 55. Dash is a policy making function. A. Production, B. Plan, C. Work. D. Administration. So answer is administration. Question number 56. Which one of the following is not a service industry? A. Hotel and restaurant. B. Transportation. C. Hospital. And D. Manufacturing. So your answer is manufacturing. Question number 57. Dash is the task of buying goods of the right quality in the right quantities at the right time and the right price. So answer supplying, purchasing, scrutiny and none of above. So answer is purchasing. 55. An ERP system automates which of the back office work involved in fulfilling customer demand. Front office is context referred to information, employees, customer, database. So answer is database. 59. Which of the following document is included in the quality system? A. Quality policy. B. Customer focus. C. Commitment and all of above. So answer is quality policy. 60. Characteristics of total quality management include A. Focusing on customer. B. Striving for continuous improvement. C. Involvement of the entire work office or workforce. And D. All of above. So answer is all of above. Question number 61. Which of the following is the example of empowerment? A. Quality circle. B. Training and development. C. TQM and D. None of these. So answer is quality circle. Question number 62. Six Sigma method define 3 core steps. So core steps are defining, measuring, analyzing. Your answer is defining, measuring and analyzing. 63. The ISO quality assurance standard that applies to software engineering is. Your answer is ISO 9001:2000. Option B is your correct answer. 64. Which of the following is negative effect of globalization? A. Monopoly in business. B. Increased job opportunity. C. Technology transfer and D. Improved economy. So your answer is monopoly in business. 65. Out of which is not the objective of good plan? A. To reduce uncertainty. B. To increase productivity. C. To avoid heavy mental pressure and D. To get money. So your answer is to get money. So guys, these are the 65 questions for your management last video. So like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel and कमेंट कीजिए कैसा लगा वीडियो और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नेक्स्ट जो वीडियोस अपलोड होने वाली है वो आपकी कंप्यूटर ब्रांच से रिलेटेड नेक्स्ट वीडियो अपलोड होगी, ETI से रिलेटेड. एंड देन उसके बाद हम रिज़ल्ट से रिलेटेड सारी अपडेट वीडियोस देते रहेंगे. देन उसके बाद आपके एडमिशन प्रोसेस, जॉब्स रिगार्डिंग सारी चीज़ें. तो तब तक के लिए बने रहिए चैनल पर और थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो. बाय.